الله أكبر الله أكبر.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله إن الحمد لله نحمده ونسلم على رسول الله الكريم. أما بعد, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله wabarakatuh. The importance of Friday congregational prayer is emphasized in Surah Al-Jum'ah, chapter 62, verse 9 to 10. The verses highlight the significance of this prayer and encourage believers to leave off trade and attend the Friday prayer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu idza nudiya lis-salati min yaumil jum'ah fas'au ila zikrillahi wazarul bay' Zalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. O you who believe, when the call to prayer is announced on the day of Jum'ah, Friday, then proceed to the remembrance of Allah and leave trade. That is better for you, if you only know. فَإِذَا قُضِيَتِ الصَّلَاةُ فَانْتَشِرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَابْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِ اللَّهِ وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. And when the prayer has been concluded, disperse within the land and seek the bounty of Allah, and remember Allah much, that you may be successful. Sadaqallahul Azim, wa billahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.